Okay. Ito lang siya. Simple. Yung importante is yung inside. Oh my God. Oh! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So before I start my vlog for today, I would like to share to you some good news, and it's New Zealand is officially at alert level 2 today. So yeah, well done New Zealand! So level 2 means we're allowed to see our families and friends again. Shops are open. Most of the shops are open. Malls and restaurants are open, but I'm not sure about the disco bar if they're open. I'm not really sure about it. So yeah, but still we need to be careful. There's still some restrictions, but at least it's kind of like back to normal. So we're very happy. So congrats New Zealand. I hope na magtuloy-tuloy na yung success natin sa thing na yan. So back to my vlog for today guys. I'm going to unbox two products. The first one is from Fablab. This one guys, and this is a skincare. This is a clay mask. And this is actually a New Zealand made. And this is my first time to order this product, so I'm quite excited to use this one. I'm not sure if it's organic or not, but it doesn't matter if it's organic or not. I still want to try this one. So the second one is from Mika, and this is a two-phase pressed powder. And I also got some brushes from Morphe, so yeah, let's open it. So I'm gonna open first the skincare. This one. It's very cute, the packaging guys. It said, "Hello, it is me you're looking for. Your Fablab has arrived." It's very cute. That one guys. And so we'll open this one. Babe, welcome to #Fablab. It's very cute. Ayan. So guys, this vlog is just totally unboxing ha. So I'm just gonna do a separate video for the result of this, like the update about this one, because I'm wearing a makeup right now. So this is cute. They have some thank you message right here, and then wow, right, so this is the inside guys. Ayan. So they have, it's like applicator, free one, and then so this is the mask. So they call it a Fablab. It said here, New Zealand Glacial Glow, Mega Purifying Fablab, and Exfoliate, Detox, Balance. Ayan guys. So yan yung box niya. Yan. So, let's open this one. Share your results. Right. So I can share my results here. They have some link in here that I can share, like Facebook and Instagram. Okay, and this is it. It's very cute. Wow. Smells good. So this is it, guys. So, i-open lang natin. Wow. Yung smell niya, guys, it's like parang nasa hospital. It's a medicinal smell, which is nice naman siya. So this is actually my first time to use a clay mask guys. So I'm gonna use this later tonight, and I'll be back in a few days to give you an update, so result about this product. So next is, we're gonna open the Mika. So ito siya guys. Last time, I have a very nice packaging kasi I chose the signature box, which is this one. I'm gonna show you. This one, guys. So this is the signature box. So you have choices, either the signature or the recycle one. So since this is my second time, I chose the recycle one na lang kasi ang dami ko ng box. So ito siya, guys. This is the inside. Ayan. And this is my receipt, my ticket. So, ganito lang siya. Very light. Ayan. Okay. Ito lang siya. Simple. Yung importante is yung inside. Oh my God. Oh, oh my God. Nice. Oh, this is my brushes from Morphe. Very cute. Yeah. I have lots of brushes, guys, as you can see. Behind me, this one, I've got lots of brushes, but it's brandless. So, try ako sa branded. Meron akong isa na branded dyan, Revlon. Yung blending brush ko is a Revlon, but the rest are brandless. So, try ko lang kung gaano siya ka-soft. Ayan, and this is the Too Faced Pressed Powder. Ayan. So, again, guys, I'm gonna make a separate video of the review about this product. So, tonight is just totally unboxing about the packaging or the design. So, yeah. So, this is the packaging of the pressed powder, guys, of the Too Faced. Too Faced Born This Way, and it's oil-free, multi-use complexion powder. Right, this is very nice. So I chose the shade Porcelain because it's for fair complexion. So we'll just open this one, guys. Yeah. Wow. 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 Wow talaga, no? I love the container. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. It's very flash kasi ano siya, yung combination niya is gold and black. Ah, my favorite. Ayan, one of my favorite color, gold and black. And guys, so this is the one, Too Faced. And then sa gilid, meron siyang pag-gold dyan, no? Parang 24 karat gold. Ayan, so Born This Way. Meron siyang nakalagay dyan, Born This Way. So we'll just open this. Ooh. Ayan, guys. Tcharan! Oh, diba? Ganda, ganda, ganda. Ganda, ganda, ganda. Very nice. So meron siyang nakalagay dito din, ng Born This Way, dito. Ayan, and meron siyang mirror, and then dito is, parang meron siyang something dito. Ayan. So, there's a sponge. Ayan, I'm not sure if I use this one because I use brush instead of sponge. It really depends on you guys, ha? But me, I prefer to use brush kaysa sa sponge. Ayan, so ito lang siya, guys. Very nice. So, I'm excited to make a review about this product and try it into my face and together with the Too Faced palette as well, eyeshadow palette. Yep, so perfect combination. I forgot to tell you guys that they also gave me a freebie. This one. This is a rum hand plus body wash. So every time you purchase from them at Mika website, they always give you a freebie. The last time I purchased, they gave me a skincare, Mario Badisco skincare. This one, guys, it's very nice as well. It's so refreshing. So yeah, I love this one, and this one I'm gonna try this one as well. So we'll back to the Morphe brushes. This one. So these are the Morphe brushes, guys. This is the powder brush, and this is the blending brush. Ayan, so nag-try lang ako na mag-order ng powder brush kasi yung powder brush ko is a bit old already, and this one is another blending brush. Gusto ko dalawa yung blending brush ko. So ito siya, guys. Ayan, meron siyang brand dito na Morphe. Ayan. Meron siyang brand dyan, guys. And then it feels very soft. Iba talaga pag branded yung brushes, guys. So, try natin. Very soft siya, guys. Iba talaga yung branded. Hindi siya masakit sa mukha. Hindi siya magaspang. I'm so excited to use this with my new Too Faced Pressed Powder. So, disclaimer lang, guys. This is not sponsored. Mika or Too Faced or Fablab, they have nothing to do with this. I bought this one with my own money. So, I'm gonna tell you the price, guys, just in case if you're interested. So, the price of that Too Faced Pressed Powder is 65 New Zealand dollars. Yes, I'm not sure if how much the conversion of wherever you are, if you're in the US or you're in Australia, I'm not sure how much, but yeah, I paid it for 65 New Zealand dollars, and the brushes, the powder brush is $24, and the blending brush is $6. So overall, I paid 95 New Zealand dollars. So if you're interested to buy or if you want to check out their product, they have heaps of different brands of makeups and skincare. So I'm gonna put the link down below in my description. Just you can check it out if you want, if you're interested. So guys, that's it. That's all my vlog for today, and I hope you will give me thumbs up and feel free to share. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, I hope you will subscribe down below and click the bell button so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!